Leave requests. Leaves are essential for employee well-being, productivity, and work-life balance. A leave management system streamlines the process, ensuring accurate tracking, compliance, and efficient workforce planning. The HR module includes a leave management feature to aid in leave applications, approvals, and reminders. Creating a leave request. There are two methods for creating a leave request. The first and simplest method is to use the Submit Leave Request form. You can access this form from the Explorer sidebar under Human Resources menu. However, this is a public form, therefore, it can be hosted on a portal, web page, or even be accessed through scanning a QR code based on your organization's preference. Once you access this link, the form will appear as shown here. Complete all the required fields and please calculate the hours field based on the total work hours you'll be on leave for. After filling out the form, click Submit. The system will now automatically create a leave record. The second method is creating the request from within the system. If you are a system user with a login, you can create your leave request by navigating to the Leave Requests table from Explorer sidebar as shown here. This is the Leave Requests list page. Now click the New Leave Request button. This will open a flyout allowing you to enter information into the provided fields. Finally, click on Create to successfully create the new leave request. Once a leave request record has been created, the system will trigger the leave request approval process, which is covered in greater details in this video. Editing a leave request. If you are taking advantage of the leave request approval process, it is not recommended to edit a leave request record. This may cause discrepancies between what the manager approved and what the employee submitted. In the case that you may not be using the leave request approval process in your system, you can edit leave requests via the Leave Requests table. To edit an existing leave request, first go to Human Resources from the Explorer sidebar. Then click Leave Requests. Locate your desired leave request either by scrolling through or by using the search bar. Just click on the title of the record. This will open the details page of the record. Make necessary changes and click the Save button. Deleting a leave request. It is not recommended to delete a leave request. Instead, change the Approved toggle to False. However, if you need to delete a leave request due to a duplicate entry, you can do so in two ways. From the Items Details page, just click the Delete button. Alternatively, from the List page, select all the leave records you wish to delete and then click the Delete button. This will delete multiple records simultaneously.